This is going to be a quick unboxing of the Philips 3211/15 trimmer. I got this trimmer in July of 2021 and the box is really good. So let's begin with the unboxing. Now the reason I got this trimmer is because the previous trimmer which I was using from a good company, that trimmer actually went bad. I'm not sad about it because it lasted for about 3 years. It was a bit expensive when I got it, about 4,000 rupees. Now I was looking for a replacement and this was the trimmer I landed on because it had a 2-year warranty and Philips is going to give you a 1 more year warranty once you register the product, and the online registration link and everything comes with the product itself. This is the charger. This is a fast charger and I charged this device and I checked it. It took about 55 minutes to complete the charge the first time. It comes drained, the trimmer comes drained first time. And the trimmer, I have used it already. The performance is really good. I will do a detailed review about it. This is the cloth bag that comes with it. It's handy to store the trimmer. You get this small cleaning brush. Now the trimmer itself is very well packaged and I like the box and everything. The package is really good. So this is the trimmer itself, and you can see it's a green color, military green kind of color. I don't have any problems with the color. Some people don't like it, but the build quality is really good. It is plastic but it feels premium. The black part is rubber, that is the adjusting handle, so you can adjust the size with that. This is the charging port, and overall the quality of the trimmer feels really good. And see, as you can see, it's drained. So after this I charge this and I will give you more details in the detailed review.